Well, welcome back to the Morning Blend with today's Art Beat. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the nation's most acclaimed theaters for young audiences and families, Milwaukee's First Stage. And joining me now is Artistic Director Jeff Frank to chat about their new main stage production. It's The Lightning Thief, the Percy Jackson musical, along with Elizabeth Anderson, Alumni Engagement Manager, she's an alum herself, at First Stage, with details on their upcoming 30th annual Make Believe Ball. Welcome to the Morning Blend.
Oh, thanks so much.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah.
So Jeff, as Artistic Director, you're also director of this production. I know previously we saw the film version adaptation of this popular book series that wasn't a hit with fans. The current season on Disney Plus wrapping up for the show. Tell me about how does this show, this musical, compare to the adaptation of the book?
I think fans of the book and even the new series will recognize a lot. They'll be a lot familiar. The adapters did an amazing job of compressing it into 70 minutes of action-packed musical adventure. But you'll see Medusa and Hades and the Minotaur and the Chimera and all of these things that we bring to life through the actors' use of their bodies, incredible costumes, and some puppetry is involved also to help us create the
Always,
magic.
First Stage is legendary for your puppetry, and your set design and costumes are just A+. How does you mentioned like Medusa and some of the other Greek mythology, how do they play into the plot of this show?
Well, I think, Percy has to go, he's let his ADD and dyslexia and other people's opinions of him shape how he feels about himself. So it's this quest and this journey through all of these challenges that helps him discover what he's truly capable of. And it also explores really what it means to be a friend and what it means to trust and what it means to find your people.
And it's a really action-packed adventure. How much action are we going to see on stage? And also, what type of music is it? Is it show tunes?
It's big rock and roll vibe,
Nice.
right? I think is the big thing musically. A lot of action. Jamie Feshwold is our fight choreographer. Matt Dales has helped us out with some movement. But our fight call actually takes a long time to rehearse just to make sure we're taking care of one another. But some amazing visuals that I'm excited for audiences to see. We're ready.
I think First Stage is so great because you delight all ages in the audience. What's something that audiences can look forward to in The Lightning Thief that will please both, the young and old?
Yeah, I think it's that combination, just how fast the show moves, right?
Yeah.
The chorus, in this big rock and roll introduction sort of says, hey, gods are real, right? And here's the story that we're going to go on this adventure. And immediately, Percy is swept up. He's introduced to Camp Half-Blood and then embarks on this quest. And so I'm excited for families to come in and watch and then share together. It's always a gift for me to watch families talking about the show, during the show, after the show, and the conversations that happen.
You do great talkbacks if you stick around after the show. It's really fun. And Jeff, you have worked your way up through the ranks at First Stage, been there since 1996.
Yeah.
With your incredibly diverse resume there, what's unique about your directing experience on this production?
I think the biggest thing for me is oftentimes, because we do age-appropriate casting, so a lot of times I'm working with younger people in that 8 to 12 range. With this production, all of the young people are in their teens, and that combination of working alongside the adult professional actors, it's been a different experience for me, and really a joy to watch some of the young people I've worked with now in multiple productions.
Sure.
So a lot of this is coming together to see the fruition of their talent, fostering even greater than before.
Very cool. And Elizabeth, as an alum yourself and now heading up Alumni Engagement, what is the Make Believe Ball all about?
Yeah, so it's our 30th annual Make Believe Ball. We're really excited. This is really an opportunity, instead of your traditional gala, it's an opportunity to go out as an entire family and celebrate all of the hard work that we do in our classrooms and on our stage. This year we're at the Pfister Hotel, which is exciting for us. It's our first time it is fancy. We were just there yesterday and it's absolutely beautiful.
And how does this compare to other Milwaukee fundraising events?
Yeah, we love that we include full families and we also have our young performers. I don't want to spoil too many surprises, but let's just say we have a big number happening during the Make Believe Ball, and it's going to take a lot of people by surprise. I'm also working with some of our young company students on some living statue work that will also happen at the Make Believe Ball.
Yeah, I mean, I know you don't want to give away too much, but what is special and how does the theme of maybe the Lightning Thief even play into this year's ball?
Yeah, absolutely. So the theme this year is Greek gods and goddesses fit for the gods. So everything is going to be black, white, and gilded in gold. So really, since we're at the Pfister, it's the 30th annual, we really wanted to take a step up, and I think the theme from the Lightning Thief plays really well into that.
I just love that it's an event where, you know, I've had the experience, as many of us have as adults, to get dressed up and go to a wedding or the rest of it, for kids and for people of all ages to kind of put on their tuxes and their dresses and have a fancy event, right? What are some of the other interactive things aside from maybe seeing and watching along? Are there things they can do?
Yeah, absolutely. We have crafts for kids. We have a soda bar. We have, this year we have a living wall. So think of a prize wall, but come to life. So we'll have champagne, a prize wall. It's going to be really special.
It sounds magnificent and not to be missed. Jeff and Elizabeth, thank you so much. I can't wait to see the show, and the Make Believe Ball sounds amazing. And the Lightning Thief, the Percy Jackson musical, opens this Saturday, February 3rd, and runs through March 10th at the Marcus Center's Todd Worth Theater. They have a Pay What You Choose performance on Friday, February 9th at 7 p.m. Those tickets are available on a first-come, first-served basis with a minimum suggested price of $10. For tickets to that night or any performance of the show, call 414-267-2961 or visit firststage.org. And the Make Believe Ball is happening on Saturday, February 24th at the Pfister Hotel. The deadline to reserve is February 14th. Details and reservations for the event are also available at their site, firststage.org.